So first method, reset and set device association service to manual. So click to start and type services.msc and right click to run as administrator. And find out device association service. Select D. This one. Double click to open. Select, sorry, automatic, then start, then again manual, then apply, and then OK. Then close it. Next, update the system driver. So click to start, sorry, right click to Windows icon, click on device manager, and then extract disk and select the right click to update driver and then close it. So this is SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay. Copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay. So step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last. So guys, reset Windows update component. So in the CMD, so click to start, type CMD, then right click and run as administrator, then click to yes. So I will give you link in descriptions all command. Okay, this command first, this one. Okay, you can run this command Windows 10 also. Okay, then type first, then hit enter, that net stop, and like that hit. Stopping Windows service is Windows update service is stopping. Then next, so if any command is not accept, so you don't worry, try to different. Next one, some Windows version and okay, then yes. Yes, type Y. Yes for Y for yes and for no. Then hit enter. This one. Then same start. This is stop and this is start. Then this one. Last. Okay. So this command I will give you in the descriptions. This is for reset update component. So as next, check Windows update. So click to start, go to setting. Okay. So guys, if in the task Windows startup is setting is not showing, so you can search to type setting. Okay, you can click this like that. Okay, so this is your Windows 11 control setting option. So you just last one Windows update and then click to check for Windows and wait few seconds. It will be show which is you require Windows update in provide from the Microsoft. So might be with the .NET. Now this is the downloading, after that install. Okay, so .NET 3.0 and 4.8.1 with Windows 11 version 22H2 for 64-bit, and this is your key. So it it will come different, so no worry, you just first of all download, and then now this is installing to my system. So this is download and install, this is different. Okay, download means you download from the internet to your system, install means now installs your system with your OS operating systems. Okay, it will complete, then restart your system.